A recent reveal has provided an early look at the smaller Pixel 9 Pro variant in its four rumored colors: Obsidian, Porcelain, Rose, and Hazel. The Google Pixel 9 Pro and Hazel. The Google Pixel 9 Pro in Obsidian. The Google Pixel 9 Pro and Rose. The Google Pixel 9 Pro and Porcelain. The Pixel 9 Pro showcases a sleek and modern design, departing from previous models with its distinctive camera bar and flat sides. It reportedly features a vibrant 6.3-inch display, making it ideal for media consumption and everyday tasks. Despite its smaller size compared to some other flagship phones, it doesn't compromise on power or features. After earlier leaks today of promo videos for the Pixel 9 series and official cases for the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL, we now have leaks of the standard Pixel 9 in all its available colors. This comes after a similar leak yesterday, which showcased all the colors of the Pixel 9 Pro. The Pixel 9 will be available in Obsidian, Porcelain, Rose, and Green. Google Pixel 9 and Rose. Google Pixel 9 and Porcelain. Google Pixel 9 in Green. Google Pixel 9 in Obsidian. Google is revamping the camera island design this year. It's adopting an oval shape and won't extend all the way to the frame. Other than that, the Pixel 9 still has only two cameras on its back, just like the Pixel 8. The third telephoto lens is reserved for the Pro series. The Pixel 9 is expected to feature a matte frame and a glossy back. According to past rumors, it will upgrade to 12 gigs of RAM and be powered by Google's Tensor G4 SoC. Leaks about the Made by Google event continue, with someone recently getting hands-on experience with the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL. A TikTok user named Pixaphone via YTechB shared two videos showcasing the pre-release hardware. The videos show etchings on the rear panel, which Google uses to identify prototype units, but the presence of the G logo suggests the hardware is nearly finalized. A sticker or label covers the pattern. The comparison reveals that the smaller Pixel 9 has a glossy rear panel, while the 9 Pro XL features a matte finish that is less prone to fingerprints. Interestingly, the flat side rails are reversed between the two models, resulting in a shiny perimeter for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is quite noticeable and somewhat unfortunate. On these units, the regulatory markings are located on the left edge near the bottom. Pixel phones in the US have lacked these markers for several generations, except for the Pixel Fold. It's unclear if this design is specific to the prototype units, as the etchings also appear on the back, or if it represents the final international look. There is a noticeable size difference between the anticipated 6.24-inch screen on the Pixel 9 and the 6.73-inch screen on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, though it's not too drastic. The Pixel 9 Pro is rumored to have a 6.34-inch screen. A second video compares the Pixel 9 Pro XL to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has a 6.8-inch screen. The shots offer a clear view of the thickness of the camera bar on the Pixel 9 Pro XL.